Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Pedro. As you know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and step index. If you're watching this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next I drop my next video. You can also like and comment on this video, and you can also join our telegram group for VIP group. Today I'm going to introduce to you a strategy that you can use as a beginner to make a lot of profit, to take your buy entry and your sell entry. So you can use this strategy to catch up a spike, and you can also use it to sell up a trade for long times. So I'm going to show you the settings of this strategy, and if you are asking for the zoom level, I'm using the third zoom level. So let me show you the settings of this strategy. I have my oscillator on the first window, which is the percentage of K is 50, the percentage of D is 6, the slowing is 6, the price feed is low high, the method is simple, and I have my style to be in this color, so you just screenshot it the way I do it here. I have my level to be in 95 and 9, and also I have my Bollinger Band, which is the period of 1, the divisional of 2, the shift of 0 applied to previous indicator data. I have my style to be in blue color, so I don't have any level. You can press on done, and I have my William percentage range, the period of 14, style of 2. I have my level to be negative 80 and negative 20. You can press on done, and I have my envelope, the period of 12, the shift of 0, and I have my divisional to be in 0.100. I have my methods to be exponential. I have applied to first indicator data. Then the upper band and the lower band is in this color, so you can also choose any color of your choice. Then you press on done. When you have this, you will have the same settings I have here on my chart. So what are the things that you need to first identify when you want to trade this particular trade? What you are going to be checking is your upper band and your red line here. So when they cross each other, anytime they cross each other, that's why it's so easy for you as a beginner to even try this. So you can try it on your demo account before do it on your real account. So when the two cross each other, so it helps you to identify that particular time for you to enter your trade. You see, it's going to cross each other, then you enter your trade, and you have your stop loss at this level, which is the highest spike before that particular time. You have it there. Then you have your take profit at this level, you see, at this level. So how do you identify the stop loss? So when your green 9, which this one is, when it reach your 80 level, your 80 level, that's exactly time for you to exit the market at this level. Now when it's reached the 80 level, so you enter your market at this level, and you begin to set down the trade until your green reach your 80 level. Then you can exit the market at this level. So let me show you another example of what I am. You see, at this particular trade now, you can also take your trade and leave up the market. So when you enter at this particular level, you wait for your green line to reach the 80 level. You see, at this level now, you can exit the market. It reached my 80 level here, but it does not go above the 80 level. Then it keep on moving again. It did not, it's reached my negative 80 again at this level, and it break it out. So you can easily exit the market at this level when you know that it's going beyond the 80 level. So that is exactly how it is easy for you to scrap, taking like 5 to 10 candlestick, then you leave the market. Don't forget, this is boom 300 at 5 minute time frames. So if you can take that within 20 minutes and out of the market, you can make your profit so big. You see, we have another entry at this level. Anytime they cross each other, you can enter the market, and you keep on looking at you can enter the market at this level, and you can exit your market at this level when you see that your green line has crossed below 80 level. You can exit your market. You see, that is exactly the same thing happen here at this period. You see, when they cross each other, you begin to enter your market at this level. your stop loss will be here, and you keep on taking your profit. Anytime you have your green line that is crossing above 80, which is this level, you say you can take up your profit. So if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, and you can also like and comment on this video, and you can also join my telegram group for some updates. Thanks.